The characterizing element of the structural complexes that we use is clearly the integration between the various systems implemented through the use of bars that are welded in the mouth. It's clear that this can be an element of confusion in relation to this technique. However, be aware that thanks to the technology so perfected in recent years, in reality we can weld in the mouth these titanium structures without creating damage to the tissues, because the heat treatment to which the element of titanium is subjected during the welding process leads to an increase in temperature of 1 degree centigrade, which is practically dispersed within the oral cavity. So, the welding process is carried out without causing any damage to intraoral structures. We have to really thank the Research Department of Materials Science at the Technical University of Turin, directed by Dr. Spriano, for the results obtained during this phase, because it allowed us to fully assess the quality of the bonds that we are able to create between the metal parts which are at a given time positioned within the oral cavity.